guys, we're gonna play Teardown and we're gonna spawn creatures and props, yeah?
First is
Choo Choo Charles.
Huh?
Yeah, I know. Look at him. Funny face.
Yeah.
Funny face, funny teeth, and he can knock out. And look at his dumb tires. Look at him. There's squares, 2 squares.
Because it's train, no? Not car.
And look at its dumb spider legs. I'm gonna smush you like a spider. First, knock out his teeth, okay? Wait, I need a special tool, you know? Look. Knocking out each one of his teeth. I was going to look after this, yeah? Look at them.
Now it's looking like a cow, no?
Look. Now it's staring into my soul, I think. Look at them. Look at those eyes. Deep in eyes. With this funny light, destroy that? Yum. What more to do to him? Look at this. Maybe go in there? Go in there? Maybe, yeah?
Okay. Yeah, it's inside of...
What?
Can you destroy from inside? No?
No, there is no inside. What's this? Destroy those? Shoot him. We need something stronger, yeah?
Yeah. Maybe hungry slimes, huh? Oh, we
don't have.
Satisfying.
We don't have that.
At the moment, we don't have.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, cut his toes off. 8 toes? No.
Not toes, huh? His legs, huh? Spider's legs, huh?
And you know what? Where I am? Infinite generated wild. I am now.
Yeah.
It goes on infinity.
It's good for spawning. Yeah?
Look at his face.
Oh.
Look at him. Look at him. Die, phony.
Wow. It's total destruction.
Die, phony. Phony. You're a phony little friend. Cut his legs off? Yeah.
And he destroyed, huh? Just a mess.
Yeah.
Piece of garbage.
What? He's dead. Dead for life. Now let's spawn something else. Oh, snake. Do you... I think... Is it a game, Goofer?
I don't know.
What do you think? Is it a game? Or... I don't know what it is. I just downloaded it and that's it. Well, hey, worm, go under the... You're a worm, yeah, right? Go under the floor then. Worm. Worm. Oh, Goofer is in that hole. Another thing. Let's listen. Hey? This is boring. 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 What it is?
Wow. What have you done? Huh?
I didn't do that.
I
Let's spawn it again.
it just flies to cosmos, huh? Yeah. No? Says
Oh,
what? Why continue? Huh? Continue. Oh, don't be afraid. Huh? Oh, you can die, huh? Oh, he's shooting at you, huh?
yeah.
Careful. Something better, gun, huh? You won, huh?
Defeated it.
Yeah.
Die, you stupid, stupid. Now it's gone, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That was scary. It was scary, right?
Yeah.
Who's flying that?
I didn't know at first that he was shooting, huh?
That sound.
Goodness, Siren is dead, huh? Why is
Look,
it look so
hey,
stupid, huh? What?
hey, stupid head. Not shoot your hand. Hey, do something. He's alive.
Yeah, but it looks very stupid, huh?
A little funny little shiny head. Do you know how to walk? You put it out of its misery, okay? Hey, hey, shiny head. Die.
This was not scary. So,
It's still alive. Good. Just die, okay? Yeah, no. Now it's dead. Something else. This has to be.
it's
Hey, mother. Oh. It learns how to walk. Still alive. Get rid of it. Hey, you wanna eat some tacos? Taco.
uh,
It's still moving. Die. It died. Yeah.
mm-hmm.
But let's fly away from that. Yes. It's alive. It's alive.
Doesn't have know how to walk, huh?
Die.
Very stupid.
So let's do something, please. No. Do we need some injections? Injections. Now it's smarter. Look. Smarter brain. I was a living human. You know that? That was
Not real. Well, very stupid.
very stupid living.
This game, huh?
Play? Yes.
Yeah, play, huh?
Okay, now I'm back. That crashed my game. Yum. I'm gonna spawn that.
Now you know what to do, huh? Yeah? Just smash it.
I can still play it. What?
No.
No. Done. Look at my diamond play button. Look at it. It's beautiful. My beautiful diamond play button. It's out of metal. So you diamond play button.
Not
How's that?
interesting, huh?
What? That diamond play button is on. Look, a Roomba. Toggle.
Toggle. Because it's grass, it's not
No.
working, no? Just this
Go.
toy, huh?
Oh, it was doing something. Look, it's doing something.
It's doing, yeah. But it's stuck, huh? Please.
Roomba. You're not cleaning my house.
What house? You in the grass, huh?
Look, it has those little panels there. No Roombas in my house.
It was a house. Okay.
Enough of that stuff. Yeah, and creatures. Means subscribe and like, and thanks for watching, and bye.